2a times 5. Pause the video. What do you think that is? Okay, so you should pause the video and have a go. Basically, all it is just look at the numbers. 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10, and then you put the letter on. And that's all it is. It's just 2a, well, 5 lots of 2a. And that is it. Yeah, I did explain more about what the number next to the letter means in another video, so go back and watch that one if you haven't already done so. Right, so let's take that E. Let's have a look at this one now. Let's go 5C. I like to use different letters because it's not always the same letter. Well, it actually hardly ever is ever the same letter. So it's really important we know how to do it in a variety of different ways. Okay, and we get familiar with these different letters because algebra is all kind of letters and symbols. Okay, it's important we understand that. Right, let's make that more of a 5. Right, so 5C multiplied by 10. Have a go. Right, so you should have paused it and had a go. That is 50C. Right, next one. Yeah, we're on a bit of a roll now. So I'm going to mix it up. Let's do 6 multiplied by 3x. Remember doing my x's like the Coco Chanel sign? Yeah, not like the multiply sign, so you can see the difference. Pause the video, have a go. Right, so this time you should have got 18x. It's good. If you're pausing the video and do it along with me, you're more likely going to learn. If you get the answer before I do, it will help you, okay? You're more likely going to stick, yeah, and learn. Right, so there's some of your more basic ones, okay? They're your pretty standard ones. Put a little 1 markers in an exam. Just to remind you, this is more high school topic, secondary school, okay? You don't really see this kind of thing in primary school. However, if you're in primary or lower school, you're going to have to learn it eventually. So you might as well start now, okay? Right, these next type of questions, you'll still see the word simplify, but they're slightly different. So let's have a look on what this one would be. If I have y multiplied by y. Pause the video and have a go at that one. Okay, so this time, y multiplied by y is y squared, okay? That is similar. I'll give you another little example. Use different coloured pen, okay? So another little example. If you had 3 multiplied by 3. So don't think what the actual answer is, which is 9, not 6. Some people, for some reason, do 3 out of 3, which is 6. 3 multiplied by 3, simplified, will go to 3 squared. And it works the same way with letters. It's pretty much exactly the same and how it works. Right. So I'll give you another example then. Right, if we have E multiplied by E, you should get this one now. So pause the video, have a go with that one. Okay, so you should have got E squared. Now try this one. Let's do a bit faster now this time. If we have G, I'm a G, multiplied by G, multiplied by G, what would that be? Pause the video, have a go. Right, so this one you should have got G multiplied by G. Multiplied by G is G cubed. Just so you really know what we're doing, we're getting it. I'm going to switch pens and go to my purple one because this white one is letting me down. Right, let's say if we have M multiplied by M, multiplied by M, multiplied by M, I could keep going, but I won't. Right, what would that be? Pause the video, have a go. You should have seen, well, M times M times M times M is the same as M to the power of 4. Yeah. And that's it. Hopefully now we've spotted the pattern with these ones and we're kind of seeing how it all works and comes together. Let's take that a little bit further. FGH, right, let's keep reminding myself of the alphabet. Let's say now we've got 3y multiplied by 2y. Pause the video, have a go. Right, the easy way to this one, I think, do the numbers first. So it's 3 multiplied by 2, well that's 6. Y multiplied by y is y squared. And that's the answer for that one. Yeah? So it's not too hard. A lot of you are probably thinking, gee, you know, it's quite like, how am I going to learn this? When you just break it down, it's actually quite straightforward. This is quite nice, I find. So, let's take it a little bit further. Like my students at first are sometimes like, oh, it's a bit scary. But then once you just take it bit by bit and slowly build on it, really important as well, okay? That's really important as well. Like my video on tutors, this is what teachers can do and teachers can offer you. They know how to break it down and slowly bring things into it, okay? That's why we really need a teacher, a qualified teacher. Right, so let's go to 5m multiplied by 6m. So pause the video, have a go with that one. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. M times m is m squared. Right, so what I'm going to do now, there's a load of examples. I've got a couple more different ones to go through, then we're done. I will wipe the board. Got a nice clean board. So let's take it a little bit further. Let's go to this next one. So I've got 7y squared multiplied by y. Okay, pause the video, have a go at that one. Right, so you should have got, well, there's no number for the 7. Technically, there's a 1 in front of the y, but we don't need the 1 there in algebra. So 7 times 1 is 7. And then y squared times y. Well, how many y's are there altogether? I don't think I said y so much before in a sentence. So y squared is y multiplied by y. Yeah, then it's just another y. Yeah. So then there's 3 y's altogether. So it's just 7y cubed. And that's it. Let's do another one just to see if we got it. So let's go to x multiplied by 3x squared. Pause the video, have a go at that one. So this time you should get 3x cubed. Let's see if you really know it okay. Let's have 6p squared multiplied by 2p squared. Let's see who knows this one. So pause the video, have a go at this one. So you've got 6 times 2, which is 12. And then p squared times p squared, well, that'll be 4 p's altogether. So it'll be p to the power of 4. And that is it for this one. Let's do another one, just to make sure we've got it okay. So 9t cubed multiplied by 2t. So pause the video, have a go at that one. Okay, so you're 9 multiplied by 2, which is 18. T cubed multiplied by t is t to the power of 4. There you go. Right. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you've learned something which is important. Okay, I hope you've been pausing the video and trying to do the questions before I do. Really important, because that will help you learn and help it stick for those key exams. Right. Really important. So this has been Master Jacko. I'm Bradley Jackson, your online maths teacher. Take care, and I'll see you next time.